Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brintzenhofe, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, PA. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to change the passenger side mirror on your vehicle. Now, passenger side mirrors, driver side mirrors, they're both identical on how to take them off. Your first step will be to remove your door panel. Unfortunately, in the 15 years, 16 years I've been doing this, I've never seen one you didn't have to take the door panel off. I've already taken the liberty of taking all the screws out. Each vehicle out there is a little bit different, so you might want to refer to an owner's manual if you don't know where they're at. Not an owner's manual, but a repair manual. First thing you want to do, like I said, get your door panel off and get your fingers behind it if you can. Pop your little clips out, they just pull straight out. Once you get it off, you'll want to unhook the inside. You'll have a couple rods and a connector. Once you get them off, make sure you hold on to your door panel. Stick it out of the way so you don't end up stepping on it. Now your side mirror here is accessible behind this foam. Unfortunately, you can't always save this foam from getting damaged when you take it off. But what you'll need is a little ratchet and a socket. Sometimes they're screwed in with little screws, but you'll figure it out once you get it off. You want to loosen all three of these up. And once you get them loose, you want to take them off by hand. Stick them somewhere where you're not going to lose them. Now this last one, you're going to want to hold the mirror because you don't want it to fall and break on you. And this one here is a power window, so you're going to have to be careful because you have to pull the wires out through. And once you get your wire out, pull your mirror off, and that's all there is to it in replacing the passenger side mirror.